Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan a QR code on ACER Predator 17. And there are two different methods of scanning a QR code depending on whether you have your QR code in person or if it's being displayed on your computer. First, I'm gonna show you the method with your QR code in person. So what you should do is simply open the camera app. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's open the camera. Then, as I have found it, I can simply, I don't know if I have the barcode scanning option here, but if I position the QR code in front of the camera, I may need to click on it or just change. If it doesn't scan itself, then just do the same as you would do for the second method, which I'm gonna show you. Although you can see that it shows everything flipped, so you should take a photo, then it'll unflip it, and then you can screenshot it and do it with the method that I'm gonna show you. Unfortunately, there's for some reason no barcode scanning option, though it used to be there. So now I'm gonna quickly just generate any random code, so don't mind that, what I'm doing, just to get a QR code, and click on Windows, Shift and S on your keyboard, then select rectangular snip. Select this screenshot, select not this QR code, then go to a website called QRscanner.net. Click on Ctrl and V on your keyboard to paste it here. And now you get the link, you can click on it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.